Hello everyone. Today we will see bird game. So in the bird game, first level is for the introduction. So here is the bird, worm and the nest. Bird wants to reach to the nest, but the condition is he need to take the worm first. Okay. So the angles are given. So the angles are between 0 to 360 degree. Now for the first level, we want this angle. So it's nothing but 45 degree. Let's try with 45 degree first. The nest and the worm are in same direction. So we require only one angle. Let's run the program. This is the first level of bird game. Hello everyone. This is the second level of bird game where we want to take the worm first and then only we will go towards nest. Okay. Now in the maze game we already learn about if else statements. If else is conditional statements. If the condition is true, we will do something under if statement. Else, it means the condition false. Then what we want to do, we will do in the else statement. So if right now I want to head towards the angle which is 0 degree when we do not have worm. Once we have worm, then we want to go towards this 90 degree direction. Okay. So what I will do, if does not have worm, if this condition is true, then I will head towards 0 degree. So this. Okay. Else means the condition fails. That is, I have worm. Then head towards 90 degree. Okay. Let's run the program. This is coding. If no worm, heading 0, else heading 90. Okay. So this is the second level of bird game. Hello everyone. This is the third level of bird game where you can see bird, worm and nest. Now bird cannot go directly to the nest. Okay. He need to take the worm first. Now if he does not have worm, first he will take worm. How to take worm? He need to fly towards this direction. Okay. So we will head. This is the complete circle. Okay. If here is my bird at the exact center, then I want this direction. Okay. Which is 350 degree angle. Then once the bird have worm, then it will turn and take 45 degree direction. Okay. So else, that is the does not have worm condition fails, then he will take 45 degree turn, which is this direction. Okay. Let's run the program. Bird game. Hello everyone. This is the fourth level of bird game where now we don't have this coding block, does not have worm. Instead of that, we have provided with one more coding block, X or Y. We can select X or Y. Then we can select greater than or less than, and we can select distance. Now, if you notice carefully, horizontal axis is x-axis. The distances are given 20, 40, 8, 60, 80. This is 100 and 0. Similarly, for the y-axis, it's also the same. 0, 20, 40, 60, 80 and 100. Okay, right now we don't require x-axis. We don't require y-axis. We only want x-axis. Now, what bird wants to do? He wants to reach to the destination, which is nest. But there is no worm. So we don't want worm condition. Now he can't go like this in this direction. What will happen? This is obstacle. Okay. So he need to skip the obstacle. Okay. So he need to go here first. Then he will take the turn and go down towards nest. So till my x is less than 80, here is the x position 80. So I will fly, it means the bird will fly here till x is less than 80. So if x is less than 80, bird will fly in 0-degree direction. Okay, which means this direction. Once my x will greater than 80, means after this I need to take turn and I need to fly towards nest, which is 270-degree. Okay, so else it means that the x is greater than 80. I will fly in 270-degree. Okay, let's run the program. Level of bird game. Hello everyone, this is the 5th level of bird game where we can select how many if and else blocks we want. So if I click on setting tab, setting icon, it will show if. I can add as many if or as many else if I want. Okay, else if is again a statement, conditional statement. So if the condition is true, of course, what I want to do, that coding will be under if block. Else if is nothing but again I want to check another condition, which is second condition. I will select else if, or simply if the if block is false and I want to do something else, I will select else block. Okay, so right now what I will do, first my bird want to reach here, then it will take turn and go to the nest. Again, there is no worm, so I will not require this coding block. Okay, so what I will do, to go down, I will check y-axis. Okay, because the vertical axis is y-axis. So to go down, I need to take the y-axis first. Okay, so if my y, now what's the condition? I will go down till the y-axis is greater than 0. Okay, so here, so if y is greater than, sorry, 20, not 0, it's 20. So if my y is greater than 20, then I will head towards 270-degree. Else, now I will select else block, because if my y is not greater than 70, it means if it is less than 20, then I will head towards 180-degree direction. I can do this coding, or I can do even the else if. I will select the else if and I will check else if my x is less than 80 or less than 90. But right now I don't require else if, so I will simply select else. Okay, let's put this code here. Now run the program. And this is heading. If get the Y position of the bird each and every time, and that Y position, if it is greater than 20, then head 270 degree. Else, it means that if the condition fails, that is my Y is not greater than 20 anymore, then I will head 180 degree. Okay, so this is the fifth level of bird game.